Have you ever pondered about the origin of money, the very instrument that powers our world? Let's journey back to the days when the barter system was the norm. Imagine, you've got a surplus of wool, but you need some grains. What do? You find someone who has grains but needs wool and make a trade. But what if they don't need wool? That's where the limitations of the barter system came into play. Enter the Lydians, the clever folks from present-day Turkey, who around 600 BC introduced the world to the first minted coins. They used a mixture of gold and silver called electrum, struck with intriguing designs. This was a game changer. Imagine, now you could trade your wool for these shiny coins, and then exchange the coins for grains. This simple yet revolutionary concept transformed commerce forever. From seashells to precious metals, the concept of money started to take shape, but it was not yet in the form we understand today. As civilizations flourished, the need for a more convenient form of money grew. But who would pioneer this change? The answer lies in the far reaches of the East, with the Chinese Tang dynasty, around the 7th to 10th centuries AD. With their innovative minds, they conceived the idea of paper money. This wasn't just a whim or a novelty, but a response to a practical issue. Coins, while valuable, were cumbersome and weighty. Paper money, on the other hand, was light, easy to carry, and could represent larger amounts of wealth without the need for a wheelbarrow. This revolutionary idea spread like wildfire. It was the Mongols, those great horsemen of the steppes, who further disseminated the use of paper money. They recognized its value and convenience, bringing it with them as they swept across continents. From coins to paper, money was becoming more convenient, but the evolution was far from over. As the world moved towards modernity, so did the concept of money. But what sparked this transition? The answer lies in the establishment of the first central banks. The year was 1668, and Sweden was about to make history. The Swedes set up the first central bank, a concept that began to reshape the world of finance. Not long after, in 1694, the Bank of England followed suit. These institutions began a practice that would lay the foundation for modern currency. They started issuing notes, promises that could be redeemed for a certain amount of gold. This was the birth of the gold standard, a system where a country's currency value was directly linked to gold. This was a significant shift from the traditional forms of currency. The gold standard marked a significant milestone, but the transformation of money was yet to reach its peak. In an era dominated by technology, how has money adapted to keep pace? In the mid-20th century, the introduction of credit cards revolutionized personal finance. This plastic money, launched in the 1950s, ushered in a new era of convenience and global commerce. Then, as computers became household items, online banking emerged in the 1980s, further transforming our relationship with money. But technology didn't stop there. In 2009, a new form of currency emerged, Bitcoin. This digital currency, or cryptocurrency, operates independently of a central bank, opening up a world of possibilities for peer-to-peer transactions. As we look ahead, the potential future of money is even more exciting. We might see a cashless society where every transaction is digital. Cryptocurrencies could become commonplace, their decentralized nature challenging traditional banking systems. From barter to Bitcoin, the journey of money is a testament to human innovation, and who knows what the future holds.